first application that came to us was a water treatment facility plant. The waste, or they call it sludge, comes out from basically the screening machine, and it is dumped into large containers. And they need to hook up to these containers, move them from inside to outside. They were moving these things by hand. A couple places were using pallet jacks. The problem is sometimes there is some uneven ground, so they run into issues where the pallet jacks are only to be used indoors and they need to go outside. The people, like over in Wisconsin especially, they had to move outdoors in the winter times. Even though they had it plowed and cleared, the area that they had to move outdoors still was difficult because it did build up with snow. Sometimes it could get a little bit icy. With the fork trucks, the fork truck can do it. It's capable of moving it. The problem is it requires a licensed driver to do it. So using that person for doing something like this is not as feasible. They need to keep that person available for a more important task. So they were looking for a little bit more robust of a style machine. They looked up waste mover, waste container mover, hauler, pusher, and found us. Some of the places they were only moving 20, 30 feet. Some of them were going a quarter of a mile. So in those longer distances, doing this by hand is quite the task. So they wanted a WasteCaddy.